Hello everyone, start off by taking a white base cake, then take some cream frosting and line the base of your cake with this cream frosting. On the side of your cake, design it with some pink frosting and line the top edge of your cake with green frosting using this particular nozzle. On top of your cake, decorate a cake onto it. We have used the colors green, yellow, pink and then purple for the topmost layer. Add a candle on top of that as well and then decorate some balloons on either side. Next, we will be using a white cake, and now we have taken some white frosting in a piping bag with this particular nozzle. We have made opposite U shapes and then we have also made the other side of it to make it whole as well. Now, in the center of each of the gaps that are present, make strawberry-like shapes. Next, take this cream colored cake and then add cream and white frosting in a piping bag and then together join them and outline your cake. Now, make these roses out of the same color and then add it to the top. Line the sides of your cake with white frosting. Add it in layers and do not go all the way. Make these triangular shaped designs on all of the sides. Next, we will start off by taking the circular cake. Now make vertical lines using some white frosting as such. In the gap that is present, make this logo-like symbol out of it and then in the center of it, add flowers to it as such. Add yellow to each of the centers of your flowers and then in the second category, add some swirls to it as such. Next, add your birthday message at the top of your cake to begin with. We have chosen to do so in blue. Now for the second part of it, start off by adding some flowers or rather do so in red frosting and then underneath this, after you have added flowers in different colors, add different centers to it as well. Next, we'll start off by taking our piping bag, make a horizontal slit through it, and then make a diagonal slit on one of the sides as well. After this, add some white frosting to it, and then begin to outline your cake in this particular shape. Move from outwards to inwards as such, and now cut up some strawberries, and then add it in the center in a circular shape. Hello everyone, start off by taking a white based cake and then after this take some frosting in a piping bag with this particular nozzle, go up and down and create this decoration. Now make these U-shaped decorations on the sides of the cake as well. Line the top portion of the cake with the same white frosting and make it a little bead-like. Now make a flower shape in the center. Next, take some pink glaze frosting and make a dip from the sides as such. Do this all around your cake and now once you are done with this, at the top of it, add white frosting to it in this crisscross-like shape. At the base of it, using this particular nozzle, make it look like grass by adding some green frosting. Next, take a white base cake. At the base of it, add a white line out of frosting to it and on top of this, add yellow to it. Spread it out using a cake spatula from the bottom to the top as such. Now, add a brown line to the top of it and then make it look like a wreath. After this, add flower decorations on top of it and then on either side of it, add little green bits to it to make it look like the leaves. We have added a decorative angel at the top. Next, take some blue frosting and then line it in one line at the bottom of the cake as such. Spread it out using a cake spatula from the bottom to the top. Now, in a piping bag, add some blue and white frosting and then, using this particular nozzle, decorate the top edges of your cake with this as such. This is what it should look like. Add your message in the center. Next, take a cream heart-shaped cake and then, on the edges of it, line it with white glaze frosting. At the base of your cake, line it with cream frosting and then add the same frosting at the top of it as well, using this particular nozzle. On top of this, you may add your birthday message. We have chosen to do so in orange and white accordingly. Next, take a circular cake and then on the sides of it, line it with blue frosting. Using a cake spatula, spread it from the top to the bottom as such. After you have spread it out, flatten it out using any sort of flat surface. Remove the excess from it as well. Add these little blobs using white frosting and then cut up some fruit and add it all around. Thank you for watching.